It's a mess in here. I'm gonna do this quick job and then start cleaning up. We meet again. Evil 2. Oh, this is way easier. All right. Alright, so that's it for the truck. That's why I don't like doing side projects. It took 2 hours just to put stickers, align them right and everything like that. So, but now we have to finish this drift car. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was supposed to be done with it. I haven't touched it yet, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so spoiler is on, spoiler is wrapped, finally. It's super pink. So now I just need to work on the side skirts, get the car together again, and then Rob is actually coming now. That's tomorrow. He was supposed to drop off his car. He's dropping it off today because tomorrow it's just gonna be too late. And then Monday I have another car coming. It's just too many cars. But I'm gonna start cleaning up because the shop is a mess. It's just bothering me so much. Cleanliness is good. Okay, new Beamer is all tucked away for the night. I'm gonna start working on that one tomorrow or maybe Sunday because this one is almost done. Just gotta do the touches. Side skirt's on, front bumper's on, the grill's on. I just have to do this side skirt. And spoiler is on. What else is left? That's pretty much it. Just gotta put the wheels on, drop the car, wash it because it's dusty. But it's already nighttime. Boop. I'll see you guys tomorrow because do not work when you're tired.